Oh, I made a dazzling latte, and I got a new tumbler cup. Okay. This is the box. Gorgeous, isn't it? It comes with a straw. I got it off Amazon. Both of these, they both come the same thing. I'll link it down below, but it's supposed to be a Killstar brand cup, and I've always wanted one of those. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, that's nice. That feels nice. That feels sturdy. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting a new coffee cup for the longest time, and this one's gigantic. Oh my gosh. That was gigantic. That will hold my coffee. But yeah, it comes with like the little lid. This one seems like nicer than the other ones I've had. I was gonna get some new tumbler cups like at Dollar Tree around Halloween time, but they didn't have any tumbler cups, and I was so sad about that. And I wanted one so bad. I wanted some Halloween ones, like some spooky ones, because I love spooky stuff, and I love, oh my gosh, this, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash this, and then I'm gonna show you like the coffee that I've been making, you know, sort of. I want to do sort of like a video of me like drinking coffee. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. I'm gonna keep saying that. It is so gorgeous. We got the tumbler cup all clean, ready to go. I did stop the recording. I found I had to clean the straw, and I forgot my straw cleaner. Anyways, this does not come with the straw cleaner, but a set of black like reusable straws that basically look like this came with a straw cleaner, so I'm gonna link that down below in case you want to like get a set of like the straws and then get like the cleaner that goes with it, you know, the little brush. Okay, so we're gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna pop this on up. Okay, so the coffee that I've been loving lately is this pumpkin spice. Okay, I'm just gonna move this over here so I don't get any coffee in it, like coffee grounds. Okay, pumpkin spice Barissimo limited edition. I had gotten this on sale. It was like probably $2-3 on sale at Aldi. So I think I might have gotten 2 bags of it, so like I'd be able to have my pumpkin spice fix well into February, and I have been. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to pick up some more coffee because I feel like this is probably not gonna last me the rest of the month. Oh my gosh, we need a filter. We need a filter. These are looking a little crusty because, you know, when you get down to the bottom of the filters. Okay, let's just... I am planning on replacing this container, like the different container. I sort of want to get ones with like black lids because, you know, black's my favorite color, and I just want to do that. But like that's in the future, you know, that's the future. It doesn't bug me that much right now. Who knows? Okay, coffee filter. Okay, just like shove that on in there. It always gets a little bit like misshapen, like whenever you get down to the bottom ones. Okay, and I do not use a scoop. I just sort of pour, you know, just use my heart as a measurement. I don't know what that means. Okay, that's usually about enough. Like right there. This is like my first cup of coffee this morning. And like it's not even morning. I haven't been sleeping well, so like I slept in until like 5 p.m. and then I found out my package had gotten here and I figured I'd make a video. But yeah, I need to get me some coffee in my system. Ooh, I have nachos. I know I always pair coffee with the weirdest combos, but like I have nachos in there. Like all the stuff for nachos. Like I could have a biscotti. I have some biscottis. One second. Gosh, I hope my butt's not showing. Okay, I have biscottis. I don't know if I have the lemon ones. Oh, I have lemon ones. I have lemon biscottis, and these are the I think they're salted caramel ones. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of these. I got them. Like sort of a gift basket sort of situation for Christmas. For my birthday, I always forget. It's like 2 days after Christmas. I always forget which is which gifts are which, you know. But yeah, okay. So we have this tumbler cup. And did I forget to grab water. I forgot to, okay, I'm gonna go have to go grab some more water. That is not enough water. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. My nails are so long. Okay, I'm gonna press this down. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh! I got the water. I got the water. Okay. Okay. Pour that. Oopsies. Oopsies. It's just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I think like 3 cups of water usually does it. Okay, and then we go brew now and strong. I hope you can see that. I always make my coffee strong. There's no lid on this. Oh my gosh, I'm just waving it around. Okay. I need to wipe that down. There's like water all over the all over the side of it. Okay. 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 This is. I could lift this up a little bit. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. We can just like wipe that down. There's so much water. There's so much water everywhere. There's so much water. Okay. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Okay. You know, I remember my first coffee maker. I'm just gonna talk about it till the coffee brews. I remember my first coffee maker. When that started to go, it would like it would make this like exploding sound. Like it'd go poof. And the lid would fly up, and that's how you knew the coffee was done. It would sort of spark a little bit, which was kind of a concern. And like that's when I decided to get rid of it and like get a new one. I actually got I won like a contest to get a $100 gift card to Target, and I saw this Mr. Coffee maker. And I was like, I had to get this. And I think it was on sale for like $40. So I ended up getting myself some more coffee with it. Like I got 3 packages of like Starbucks. Just like treat myself. And those are usually $5 to $10. Like good. Like Starbucks is good. I think the only one that's like more my favorite is Barissimo, like the Aldi brand of coffee. Oh my gosh, they know how to do it. They know how to do it. Oh, oh my gosh, there's still water there. I could get my coffee creamer. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I put in the coffee. Okay, we got original almond milk by Friendly Farms. That's Aldi's brand. I cannot stress this enough. I love shopping at Aldi. Okay, and then we got International Delight Cinnabon. Aldi does not sell this. Kroger does, and I'm pretty sure Meijer does too. But yeah, this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells like a freaking cinnamon bun. So, yeah. That is my favorite right now to put in my coffee. I'm sort of running a little bit low. I think it's probably about there. I'd like to put 1/4 of a cup of coffee creamer in my coffee. It's not that many calories, and like if you look at Starbucks, it's like way less than Starbucks. So like if it's less than Starbucks, I'm good to go, you know. Every time I do my nails, I always have to just like tap them on every single surface. Like a freaking cat or something. Oh my gosh, is this almost done? Is this almost done? Oh, what else? I'm excited for the new season of Disenchantment. I think that's the name of it. It's on Netflix. And I think it's from the creator of The Simpsons, or the creators of The Simpsons. And I freaking love it. It is so nerdy. And it's like set in this like medieval sort of time. And there's so much cool stuff in it. There's like a dude that turns into a pig. It's great. I highly recommend it. There's like this little demon dude that runs around. Really cute. But yeah, it's hilarious. It's hilarious. There's so much comedy in it. Like, I cannot watch a single episode without laughing a whole bunch. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. That comes out tomorrow. I'm so excited about that. Oh, and Dollface. I'm also excited about Dollface. That is on Hulu. And, yeah, it's basically where this woman, like, breaks up with her boyfriend and realizes that she pushed her friends away, and then there's this, like, talking cat, who drives her around and stuff. And, like, trust me, it makes sense. It makes sense. And it's like she's reconnecting with her friends, and it's really funny, and it's really heartwarming. And that comes out on Friday. The new season comes out on Friday, but like I think there's like one season already on Hulu, so like if you want to check it out, if you have Hulu, you know. Okay. Oh, Xbox just like if your Xbox I forget the subscription name. Game Pass Ultimate, right? I think that's the one. Like if you have Game Pass, I don't know if you can hear me if it's on my coffee maker, but if you have Game Pass, they have like a 2 months free on Hulu, so I'm gonna try that on out. It says for new and eligible returning subscribers, so I don't know if I'm eligible, but I'm gonna see if I am. I still have like the rest of the month on my subscription. I usually every once in a while like get a gift card, like I buy myself a gift card and then I like watch whatever new seasons of stuff that I want to watch on there, because there's like not all the time there's stuff that I actually want to watch on there, but like sometimes there's new shows. Okay, so I swear I don't need more coffee, but I'm like I haven't even had coffee, but like I don't need... Okay, so we've got the coffee. Let's pop it. Oh my gosh, I thought that fell on my hand. I heard a sizzling noise. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. Okay, let me just like turn. You can see the coffee just like pouring. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. This is so perfect. There's like... Okay. Okay, and then, oh, and then, I never measure. I just like sort of, like I know that's about 1/2 of a cup. And like, that's about 1/4. But like definitely measure if you, I make coffee all the time. And like I know all the measurements and I know the way the cup looks when I make it. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Is this gonna taste good? Is this gonna taste good? Perfect. I made it perfectly. And I put the little tumbler cup lid on there. Okay. So, that is a tumbler cup. Oh my gosh. It insulates so well. You can't even tell that there's piping hot coffee in here. You really can't. Okay, so like it's not that hot, but like after I put the creamer in there, it's really good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. This is my new favorite tumbler cup. This is my new favorite tumbler cup of all time, and I want to get more. Oh my gosh, I should not have dairy. I should not have dairy. I should not have put dairy in. But yeah, I want to get more tumbler cups. Like, I want to get a whole, like, collection that I really, really want. Because I had to throw away a couple of mine because they fell apart and stuff. And I want to get some, you know, that are really cute. There was one at Dollar Tree years ago that had skulls on it. And I really wanted it. So if they ever have that again, I'm going to get it. Okay, I should probably go. It's been like 9 minutes that I've just been standing here jabbering. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, for now I have to go. Until next time, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew. Oops. Oopsies. I did put my morning coffee in this. It seems to be doing pretty good. I'm still gonna put my morning coffee in it. But like, do it at your own risk, apparently.